Hello everyone, welcome to the ASP.NET MVC tutorial. So this is my second tutorial. So before proceeding, I would like to suggest you to watch my previous videos. That is part 1 of the series. So now in this tutorial I will discuss about the controller in MVC and what is the role of routing in MVC. So when you start your MVC application, so in the URL you will notice that the local host is your server name, and home is your controller name, and the index is your action method name. So let's go to the Visual Studio and open your controller folder and click on home controller. So here you will see I have two methods, index and getName. So now first I would like to start my application. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Now here you will notice that I have not passed any controller name or any action method name, but still it's loading index page. See, and now if I pass controller name and index name, then again it will load this page. So why this is happening? So here route concept get into the picture. So now if you go to global Ajax, so you will find an application start method. So here the route will be get registered here. So if you go to the definition, then you will see this method get executed at the time of application getting started. So here you will see go to the definition. Here you will see that if you pass your controller name or action name, then it will just load your controller or action method. But if you don't pass, then default controller and its action will be loaded. So in my case, see, index is getting loaded here. So now I am just gonna copy it and just stop my application, and in routeconfig.cs file I am just gonna paste it. So when the application gets started, so this controller and this method will be executed. So now run this application. Now I'm gonna load this method here. So see, the name equal to string has been printed. So see, I have not passed any parameter in this method, but still it's loading this and not giving any error. So if you go to route config file, so if you notice that the ID parameter is an optional field, so either you can pass it or not. So if I just click on this and I am just loading my getName method here, and I'm just passing name equal to Ashish, and see, name equal to Ashish get printed on the screen. So this is how routing works. Now let's see the main understanding. Now close it and now put a breakpoint here and put a breakpoint here, and now start your application. So as I said, when the application gets start, the application start method get fired, and if you press continue, then route will be getting registered here. And so that is the concept here. So when the user request comes, then it first goes to the application start, or it first goes to the application start, and route get registered, and route just search your controller name or action name, and it just render to that. So this is just all about the routing. So in the next tutorial, routing and controller, so in the next tutorial I will discuss about the view and the model. So if you see, I'm just gonna add one method more, one controller more. So just add your controller, one controller, and I have just added test controller and test controller name. Now name it testing. Oh sorry, maybe it's running, getting error, add controller, and okay, add test controller. Now here is your test controller, and it also has the index method by default. Now run this application, and now in the index place test, and oh sorry, so now just remove the debugger. And now I'm just gonna load this. Now it's going to give me an error message. So the view index or its master was not found. So because I have not added any view for this index, and it's returning a view. So in the next video session I will just discuss about the view and the models. So thank you very much for watching my tutorial. If you really like it, then give us a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Okay, tada, bye bye, take care.